Hi, this is Kevin Graham with Founders District TV here at Chapman University on a beautiful rain or shine Saturday morning here, January 2019. I'm joined by Founders District District Director Diana D, DTM. Hi, Diana.
Hi, it's exciting to be here today. We have lots of people coming.
LACE, leadership and communication experience, yes, and just a phenomenal full day. It's like 12 bucks. 12 bucks still?
It is 15 bucks now.
It's 15 bucks now, but it's thousands of dollars in value. You get training on all sorts of things, whether you're a Toastmaster or not, right?
Right. It's awesome.
It is awesome. But the big thing I want to ask you, as District Director of Founders District, Toastmasters International, 75th anniversary. What's it like to be the District Director, and what's it like to lead this great organization in the Memorial Year?
This is a wonderful year. I have a great team of people. They're doing an awesome job. We're on track to be a President's Distinguished District. It's very exciting, and the members are excited to be here. They're going to get lots of value at LACE.
Great stuff. If you're a club officer up here getting your credits, great job, way to do it. If you're a member or haven't ever attended LACE, check it out. And be sure to check out Founders District TV. Anything else you want to say to Toastmasters today?
No. I am speechless for a change.
Good stuff. Well, have a great day. Thanks for all your work on behalf of all the Toastmasters across Southern California. God bless, Diana.
Thank you very much, Kevin.
This is Kevin Graham at Founders District TV.